Right there, guys. Attempt number 2. We tried last night melting these cans and it didn't work very well. You can see we're just getting it going, fire going. Got a pipe coming off, which obviously we're going to use an hairdryer for his power source. And then we've got bags and bags and bags. These haven't been crushed. Most of these have inside these drums. You see all these? They're all steel, no good. And this was from his attempt last night. We got it to melt. Just went wrong, so better luck tonight. So please keep watching, please like and subscribe, and see you again.